Experiment number 3. Aim: to learn and practice the use of precision tools and measuring instruments, apparatus, micrometers, inside and outside micrometer, depth micrometer, screw thread micrometer, bevel protractor. Introduction. Micrometers. Micrometers are used to make precise measurement of a small object. It has a thimble and barrel. The thimble is rotated till the spindle touch the workpiece. Then the final adjustment is made by using ratchet. The lock nut is then tightened and the dimension is measured on main scale and thimble scale. Least count of micrometer. Least count of measuring instrument is the ratio of smallest division on main scale and total number of divisions on thimble scale. Calculation of least count. Least count equal pitch divide number of divisions on micrometer thimble, where pitch equal distance travelled by thimble on linear scale in one rotation. Calculation of final reading. Total reading of micrometer equal main scale reading plus least count into thimble scale reading. Inside and outside micrometer. Principle. It works on the principle of a screw and nut. We know that when a screw is rotated through one revolution, it advances by one pitch distance. That is one rotation of a screw corresponding to a linear movement of a distance equal to pitch of the screw thread. If the circumference of the screw is divided into number of equal parts, say in its rotation through one division will cause the screw to advance through pitch divide n length. Procedure. Clean the workpiece and instrument. Check the micrometer for errors like play in the jaw, zero error if any. Calculate the least count of the instrument Hold the workpiece in the measuring anvils. Note down the reading on main scale and thimble scale. Take the measurement by micrometer for at least 3 components. Calculate the total reading of micrometer. Inside micrometer procedure, clean the workpiece with the sandpaper. Adjust the measuring jaw of inside micrometer according to hole of workpiece. Take the measurement. Note down the reading on sleeve scale and thimble scale. Calculate the total reading of inside micrometer. Fill the observation table. Depth micrometer principle. Depth micrometer, as the name indicates, is used for measuring the depth of holes, slots, and recesses. It has a shoulder which acts as a reference surface. The shoulder is held firmly and perpendicular to the center line of hole. Extension rods are in steps of 25 mm used for longer range of measurements. The extension rod can easily be inserted by removing the spindle cap. Then, when the cap is replaced, the rod is held firmly against the reference surface. The extension rods are marked with their respective capacity and are square with the base in any position. The measuring face of the base and rods are hardened. Procedure. First, choose the measurement rod suitable for the depth to be measured. Clean the mounting surfaces of the measurement rod and the rod receiving shaft using sandpaper. Insert and rotate the measurement rod into the rod receiving shaft to seat it completely. Turn the thimble counter clockwise so that when the base is flush on the top surface, the measurement rod does not touch the surface to be measured. Holding the base firmly on the reference surface, rotate the thimble ratchet clockwise until it clicks 3 times. As the measurement rod stops on the measurement surface, read the depth measurement. Screw thread micrometer. Introduction. It is designed to measure the pitch diameter of screw threads to an accuracy of 0.01 mm. In construction, the screw thread micrometer is similar to outside micrometer with the following differences. The movable spindle is pointed and the end of the anvil is of the same form of the screw thread. To be measured, the difference pairs of interchangeable V anvil and spindle points are used with this micrometer. In order to measure the pitch diameter, the pointed end of the spindle and the sides of the V anvil should contact the surface of the thread. The reading on the micrometer is read in the similar way as in outside micrometer. Principle. The principle of the thread micrometer same as outside micrometer. Procedure. Clean the workpiece and instrument. Check the error of the thread micrometer by the use of given test piece with micrometer. Calculate the least count of the instrument. Measure the screw thread pitch diameter, the pointed end of the spindle, and the side of the V wheel should contact the surface of the thread. Note down the reading on the sleeve scale and the thimble scale. Calculate the total reading of thread micrometer. Complete the observation table. Bevel protector. Introduction. It is used to lay out, measure or check angles. The universal bevel protector is capable of measuring obtuse angle as well as acute angles when accompanied with the correct attachment. List count. Each space on the vernier scale is therefore 1/12 of a degree. 1/12 of a degree is equal to 5 minutes. Principle. The micrometer works on the principle of a screw and nut. When a screw is rotated through a nut by one revolution, it will move forward equal to a distance of one pitch. Main components. The main component of the bevel protector is the main scale. The main scale is graduated into four 90-degree components. The main scale is numbered to read from 0 to 0 degree and then back from 90 degree to 0. As with other vernier measuring device, the vernier scale of the bevel protectors allows the tool to divide each degree into smaller increments. The vernier scale is divided into 24 spaces, 12 spaces on either side of the zero. Type of bevel protector. A, B, C, D. In type A, B, the vernier is graduated to read 5-minute arcs, whereas in case C, the scale is graduated to read in degrees and the bevel protector is without vernier or fine adjustment. The difference between type A and B is that A is provided with fine adjustment devices or acute angle attachment, whereas type is not. The scale of all types are graduated either as a full circle marked 0 to 90, 0 to 90 with one vernier as semicircle marked 0, 90, 0 with two vernier 180 apart. Type D is graduated in degrees and is not provided with either vernier or fine adjustment devices or acute angle attachment. Procedure: clean the workpiece and instrument. Fit the blade into protector head and lock it with locking screw. Make the angle to check the angle of workpiece and check the angle of workpiece. First note the main scale reading and then vernier scale reading. Fill the observation table.